Now set the conditions or criteria that determines whether a particular field should be visible or kept hidden based on the relevant information. Please note that a user with Manage Modules permission can configure these settings. To set the visibility rule, navigate to the profile icon followed by Setup. Go to the Modules category and select any module. For now, let's select Deal and go to the Modules Create Form. Select the field that you would like to set the visibility rule for and click on the 3 dots. Here, select Set Visibility Rule option. Let's take an example to specify the condition for a custom field known as Discount that should be visible when the deal sourced is equal to Referral. Once the condition is set, hit on Save. So now the discount field will only be visible when the deal is created with the deal sourced as referral.